When it's cold outside, nothing hits the spot more than a cozy, warm bowl of comfort food. And today, I'm making a rich, creamy chickpeas and dumplings. A hearty one-pot meal that's packed with flavor, warmth, and pure satisfaction. And as a bonus, I'm whipping up a delicious blueberry mango crumble for dessert. So stick around because these two recipes will have your kitchen smelling amazing and keep you coming back for more. All right, let's get started. This recipe is super easy and made in one pot. It makes about 4 hearty servings or 6 regular size servings. And it's also great for meal prepping. Let's start with the base. First things first, we need to get the base nice and flavorful. Heat up about 2 tablespoons of vegan butter or oil in a large pot over a medium heat. Once it's melted, toss in your onions, carrots, and celery. The classic trio that makes any soup smell amazing. Saute that for about 5 minutes until everything softens. Then add your garlic and let it cook for another minute. Give that a good stir so everything gets coated in those flavors. For a deeper and richer flavor and look for your stew, be sure to cook out the flour and let it get a little bit brown before you add all your liquids. Dumplings are one of those things that feel fancy, but they're actually super easy. My mom used to make chicken and dumplings all the time when I was growing up. The smell of that simmering broth and the way the dumplings puffed up on top, it always fascinated me. But of course I had to put my plant-based spin on it. And let me tell you, this version is just as satisfying, if not better. We're keeping all the rich flavors, the creamy texture, and the fluffy dumplings, but using the protein-packed chickpeas instead. And guess what? Each serving has a whopping 18 grams of protein, so this is filling, delicious, and nutritious. The key to perfect dumpling is not overmixing. We want them light and fluffy, not dense. So just stir until combined, and that's it. All right, back to our simmering soup. If you want a thicker broth, mix in 1 tablespoon of flour or cornstarch with a little bit of water and stir it in now. Scoop out spoonfuls of your dumpling dough and drop them right on top of the simmering soup. They're going to puff up and cook right on top, soaking in all that flavor. Cover the pot and let them steam for about 15 minutes until they're soft and fluffy. And just like that, your comforting chickpeas and dumplings are done. Now what's better than ending a cozy meal than with a warm, sweet treat? I was looking through my recipes because I wanted to make something nostalgic, kind of old school, but easy to make. I came across one of my family's favorite recipes, our blueberry mango crumble. So I wanted to include this as a little bonus for you. And there you have it, 2 cozy, nostalgic recipes that'll have you warmed up from the inside out. Let me know in the comments if you grew up eating chicken and dumplings. And are you looking forward to trying my version? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps with the algorithms to get more people to view the videos. And if you want to dive even deeper into plant-based cooking, check out my website. I have over 400 free recipes there waiting for you. Plus, if you want to support the channel, you can buy a cookbook, buy me a coffee, or join the membership right here on YouTube. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.